Alright, so now that we have our Webauthn library in our project, next we will have to add the Webauthn manager variable into our project. So let's go back to our project right here. Under our app folder, let's create another folder called services. And then within services, we'll create a new file, a Swift file, and then we'll call this one Webauthn for now. Okay, and then here, make sure we have Vapor and our Webauthn library, and then we'll do an extension to our Vapor application so we can add our Webauthn in here. Okay. Alright, so let's start off by adding a struct, and we will call this a Webauthn key. And the reason why is so we can retrieve it from our application storage, and we'll conform our Webauthn key to storage key. And add the protocol stubs, and then they'll ask for our value, and our value will put our Webauthn manager. Okay, and then from there we will add a variable for our Webauthn. Oops, Webauthn. Type Webauthn manager. Okay, and it's going to be a computed variable inside, so we could do a get first garlet Webauthn equals storage to retrieve it from our storage. Type is going to be our Webauthn key dot self, else do fatal error Webauthn configuration failed, and then return Webauthn itself. Okay, and then next we'll have a setter so that we could set Webauthn self to our new value from our new value. Okay, alrighty, and then next we will also have to add our Webauthn instance to our request class, which is a class in Vapor that allows us to make HTTP requests, and we will have to add that as well in there. Okay, and since it's within our application already, we will just put application dot Webauthn to get it from there as well. Alrighty, and then we'll go on from here.